Daydreaming about your dream life can actually decrease your motivation by making the journey seem impossible. Discover the powerful shift from outcome to process visualization that top performers use to stay focused and crush their objective.
What if I told you there's a popular piece of advice that might be the very thing sabotaging your goals?
It sounds helpful, but for most people, it's a trap that completely kills their motivation. Here are a few psychological tricks that top performers use to flip this advice on its head and actually crush their goals. This is called outcome visualization, and it feels pretty good. It's like a highlight reel of your future glory. Chances are you get a little buzz from the daydream. But when it's time to do the hard work, that motivation just disappears. The huge gap between your amazing vision and your current reality can feel so discouraging that you end up procrastinating. Be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to join us on the bright side of life. It has trouble telling the difference between imagined success and real success, and got lower grades than the students who visualized the process of studying. They got the good feeling without doing the work, which killed their drive to actually hit the books. This tricks your brain into thinking the job is done, so it relaxes. You won't want to miss what we've got coming up. It's been measured, too. Studies show that these positive fantasies can lead to a drop in blood pressure, which is a sign of relaxation, not readiness. Elite athletes and other high achievers use something called process visualization. Instead of the A on the test, you see yourself sitting at your desk, ignoring distractions, and figuring out the material. Here's a simple 3-step guide. It's a mental rehearsal of the actual work. 1. The successful daydream trap. We've all heard it. Picture your success. See yourself crossing that finish line, getting the promotion, or living in that dream house. But if you've been doing this and feel like you're still stuck, you're not alone. By mentally running through the steps, you're building a mental blueprint for what to do. It makes the real work feel familiar and way less intimidating. It's a simple trick to prime your brain for success. 2. Why daydreaming drains your energy. Interestingly enough, groundbreaking research by psychologist Gabrielle Oettingham found that fantasizing about a perfect outcome can literally drain the energy you need to achieve it. You've already done the first rep in your mind, so the friction to get started is way lower. Now all you have to do is let your body follow that mental path you just created. The answer is in how your brain handles these daydreams. So, why does this happen? In one famous study, students who only visualized getting an A actually studied less when you imagine that you've already won. Your brain gets a little taste of that reward. Let's say you have a big exam. If this is starting to ring a bell and you want more science-backed ways to beat procrastination, hit that subscribe button of Inspire Native channel. For example, if you want to get fit, see yourself changing into your gym clothes, driving to the gym, and doing that first exercise. Imagine feeling a little tired and wanting to stop, but then choosing to finish the set. Mentally rehearsing how you'll overcome challenges is the key. 3. The power of a process mindset. So if just picturing the win doesn't work, what is it? Instead of just seeing the trophy, you picture yourself doing the training. This works because it does the opposite of daydreaming. It doesn't relax you. It prepares you for action. 4. your 3-step guide to visualizing like a pro. You can start doing this today. Step 1. Find your focus. Find a quiet spot for just 5 minutes. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and focus your mind on one single goal you're working on. Step 2. Rehearse the work. Now, instead of the final result, visualize the very next actions you need to take. Share your experience in the comments below. Step 3. Open your eyes and go. After a few minutes of this, open your eyes. Your brain is now primed and ready. Do you know any other effective tricks to stay motivated? Don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and click subscribe to stay on the bright side of life with Inspire Native.